Here's another video. Just wanted to let you guys know about Terrarium. For some reason, pretty much it's acting up. We did the fix yesterday, but now when we go on to it, it gives us a list here, but as soon as you go up to, let's say, go to movies, it gives us no data. Go into your categories, and it's still no data. Anything you pick. So what we're going to do is erase it, go over to the right, to settings, you go over to applications, past it there, go down to manage installed applications, you'll find Terrarium, Terrarium there, go down to uninstall, choose uninstall again, it'll go ahead and remove it out of there, and this pretty much just in case, well, from here you'll go down 2 times to your apps and channels and go on over to find Aptoid here. You'll see Aptoid TV at the top. Just click onto it, wait for it to open, and we're waiting for the search symbol to come up. So from here we're actually going to press up, get to that magnifying glass, you'll see it flashing like that. Just going to click onto it. We're going to do a search here, and it's going to be ES file. So ES space file. So ES file, that's what you're going to enter right there. Go down to next on the bottom. You're going to see some search results. You're going to press down and go to the first ES file explorer here. Once you click on it, you're going to choose install. You're going to see downloading. Once it's finished with the blue bar there, it's going to take you over to the install page. So you'll see ES File Explorer at the top. Get to press down, choose install, and we'll wait for it to install here. Alright, so what we're going to see is app installed at the top here, and at the bottom you're going to see done and open. Here for ES File Explorer, we want to go ahead and choose open. You'll see it opening like this here. What you're going to do is press to the left on your remote, and you're going to start pressing down. You're going to find favorites here. It's the very first one. And you're going to choose the second one there that says add. Once you click OK, you're going to see this add to favorite here. You're going to notice that there's a little flashing cursor here in the middle of the screen. That cursor is where you're at. So I'm going to click on path there with the flashing cursor, and the keyboard comes up. If you need to pause it at this point, you can to go ahead and follow me. But we're just entering HTTP. We're going to go over to the number $sign and %sign here and choose semicolon / / You're going to go back down to where it says ABC. Get back the letters here. You're going to see HTTP semicolon / and you're going to choose get dot file linked .com. So you can see it right there, HTTP semicolon / get.filelinked.com. You're going to go down to next, and it's going to ask for a name now. You can actually see where it says name back there, and it's actually flashing the cursor there. That means we're putting the name there. So you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and name it file. Oh, I got filth. Let's erase that F. File linked. So we'll choose next. It's going to come back here. We're going to choose add. It'll say bookmark file linked is created successfully. You're going to be back over here pretty much on the add. You're just going to start pressing down till you find FileLinked. You're going to click onto it. Screen's going to go blank here. that's fine. What we're gonna do actually is keep pressing down, and if you don't see it right away, press up and down so you can just see the little gray part. And once you're at the bottom here, you want to go all the way to the right to where you see more. So right. You see more there. When you click that, this little menu pops up. You want to go down to where it says open in bro. It means for open in browser. So go ahead and click there. You'll see this here pop up. You're gonna choose ES downloader. You're always gonna choose that. And from there, you're gonna go down and choose the just once. When you do that, another page will pull up where you see download now or download offline. You're gonna choose the first one, download now. It's gonna go ahead and do a little short download. And when that's over, you're gonna be able to choose open file. So it'll say here download, it'll say download successfully, and then like I said, open file. Once you hit open file, you're gonna see the properties here. You're just gonna press down and get to install. Once you do install, you're gonna see this next page pull up. You're just gonna choose always. You only have one option, so you don't have to worry about anything other than choosing always. Once you do that, you're gonna see the same thing. FileLinked ready to be installed. You'll press down, choose install, and wait for that to actually go ahead and finish. Once it's finished, you're gonna see the app installed, and you're gonna see the bottom. You're just gonna go ahead and click open. Once we're open here, it's gonna say application and initializing basically, and you're gonna see to enter a code. If you don't see a little cursor flashing where it says code here, that means we're not here. So if you don't see anything like that, you're gonna be pressing up, down, left, and right to basically, you know, start going up to here. You'll see the little cursor there, and at that point you're gonna click OK and enter my code for my store. It's gonna be 137 566 56. You're gonna go ahead and choose next, and just in case you didn't get it here, there's the code. You can pause it at this point if you need to look at it or need some more time. It's 137 566 56. You'll go ahead and choose next, and you're gonna choose continue. This automatically gets to blue there if you don't see it or the cursor's up there. Just press down until it turns blue and choose continue. You'll wait for it to pull up here. You're gonna see a little disclaimer here. You can choose dismiss, and here the very first one you see HD movie box. It's a Terrarium replacement. So in order for this to work, we had to remove Terrarium. That's the reason we did that. If another pop-up comes up, just choose dismiss again. Anyways, you're gonna be on the right side. You're gonna choose that little arrow there to go ahead and start the download. You're gonna see the little bar going from left to right, waiting for it to start. At that point, you're just gonna go ahead and wait for the play button to pop up. There it is. Click onto it. Same little screen as before. See movie play red here. Go down and choose install. At this point, we're waiting for it to finish. Okay, at this point, you're gonna see that the app was installed, and you're gonna see at the bottom done and open. We're actually gonna choose done. Get back over here, and we're actually gonna press the home button to get back to the beginning. And from here, we want to take all this stuff out of here that's in our way. So best way to do it actually is to erase them. So just go back to the home, go to the settings, get to applications. Once you're in applications, you're going to press down to manage installed applications, and you're going to find the things we've added here: FileLinked and ES File Explorer. So we're just going to uninstall these. Choose uninstall, uninstall. From there, you're going to go ahead and choose the FileLinked, do the same thing. Uninstall, uninstall, and from here you can press the house button again. We're going to find the movie box, and the way I press back home again. So we're going home and pressing down to recents or your apps and channels. At that point, you just start pressing to the right. Some of you will not see all those extra icons, some of you will. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead and go through your list here to find the movie box. You're gonna find it, click onto it, and wait for it to start. I'll show you a quick bit of how it looks. It opens like that, and when it get here, you're just gonna choose MX Player, let it open, and you're actually gonna notice it looks exactly like Terrarium. It's kind of a clone. You're able to just click onto it, click your movies, but this time you're gonna get your categories, but they're actually gonna come in.